Mocks are essential, you think, right? Or can
100%.
you just prepare from books? Do you think that the SQE2 is doable based on books only?
No. You have to do mocks. I think it's very, very important to do mocks. Very important to do mocks. You can't go to the exam and sit the exam without doing mocks, I would say, because mocks prepare you, helps you do the exam under time pressure as well, because it is very,
Mm-hmm.
very intense. Especially, for example, advocacy. I remember my criminal advocacy paper, when I was preparing for it, I had like 15 pages to look over. And I remember doing the mock, which had a number of pages. So I was so used to looking at a lot of pages before going into the exam, so it didn't really throw me off that I had 15 pages that I had to kind of flip through. I think mocks prepare you for the exam, definitely, and you get feedback as well. So based on my feedback as well, I was able to improve, and I was able to like showcase my ability in the exam as well. So mocks are very important.
And how are these mocks comparable to the mocks in the LPC system? Like advocacies, are they very similar? Are they time framed in the same way? Is there the level of difficulty the same?
I did the LPC quite a while ago, but from what I remember, no, it's quite different. I had to prepare more for the SQE. I would say I definitely had to prepare more for the SQE. How I practice and how I target the exam as if it was a real, I'm a day one solicitor, I'm going to court and I'm representing my client. That's how I tackled it. So whereas with the LPC, I don't think I had the same mindset. I passed it, but I don't think I had the same mindset with, when I was doing the exam for the SQE. It's very practical, very, very practical. You have to put on your lawyer hat